Eat shit.
And before he got... Dude, last time he was invulnerable like 3 times.
Yeah.
I'm so fast this time, but...
Why'd you pick up both?
I'm sorry.
All right.
I
I won't take
more.
one this
Oh,
time.
there's one right here. There's
No,
one
I
right there.
won't.
There's
I
one
won't
right there.
take it. I won't take it
Just for me.
because I'm a nice
Take it
guy.
Alright.
Boop. Mine.
No.
No.
I paid for it though.
Oh.
You got next one, huh?
Yeah. I'll get next one.
Everybody happy.
Economy.
Joel, you have the balance on the top left of the screen.
What? The balance in the forest?
Yeah, how much money you have. If it doesn't go down, you didn't spend it.
Yeah. And also rockets came out, and I was like, that's weird.
Yeah, that's my ability.
Here. That's a turret. Hold on. I'll do this chance. I didn't get anything. Never mind. I'll do.
Chance! You can do the chance!
All right. I didn't get
sorry,
anything.
Adrian, you lost.
I'll get my money back. I'll try again. Hey, there's a bunch of rock guys all next to me, and I hate this.
What the fuck?
You know, same.
I hate this a lot.
Your Frenzy, take care of them.
Thank
Clean
you.
up house.
Yeah, I will. Thank you.
There's certainly a lot of rocks here.
All right. I open. Boop.
Oh my god.
Thanks,
my
Joel.
money.
Yeah.
I appreciate it.
Fast.
Oh, that actually helps.
Yeah, glasses. Whoa.
Better than the time I spent it and somebody took the item.
Alright, I got one.
I got this one.
Stack and
Oh,
just-
sorry, I picked up 2. That's my
I
bad.
wanted to bring it.
This is gonna. I gotta take at least one of these this time.
Fun to fight. I like.
Alright, are we actually just taking one of each?
Wait, what?
No,
I
because
accidentally-
Adrian took
I
2.
accidentally took an extra. That's my
Oh.
bad.
Oh,
Oh,
I didn't realize how
we
big
are
it is.
triple mushroomed up right now.
Yo. Heals out the wazoo.
What?
Adic.
I'm seeing 6 9s and 11s.
Yeah, it's fun and then it's not really fun.
It's a perfect mix of serious and not. Business and personal.
Yeah, like oh no.
I'm gonna be the ice queen.
do it. I squeam, you squeam.
We all squeam because Gavin's ice cream.
I'm the ice queen.
Gavin said, he told me, he said, I'm an ice cream. I listen to Gavin a lot because he's smart. And he said he want ice cream.
What is this pit? What is this you doing?
What do you mean? What do you mean?
What is this impression? What are you trying to play?
What do you mean?
No,
What's
Adrian.
this? Oh, this is
No! Oh, it's gone for a second. No!
Oh, well, you guys took a lot of boxes where I
Oh,
was wrong 'cause I'm a slow boy.
The real victim. Yeah,
Over
right.
here with
pal.
these 2 rows of items. It knows that.
I still get nothing.
I want to try. I got
You should probably
something.
God
get
damn.
out of here, Toonsies.
Oh my god, I want to do it again. I want to do it again.
Oh, stop it.
I want to do it. You.
Oh,
Damn it.
sorry,
It's
I didn't
over.
realize.
We might be OP.
Alright, everyone gets 1. I'm getting 1. I'm getting
I
this
think so,
one. I like how everyone's just floating and like gliding, and I'm just like dodge roll every couple seconds.
Dodge roll.
Dodge roll.
Wait. Joel, stay right there.
Yep. Oh.
Now hop over here.
Okay.
There we go.
Hold your ranks. Oh. One more. Hold your ranks. Yay. There he is. Get him. Get him. Asshole.
Didn't stand a chance.
What's the ass?
I
This
love
looks
the
like the
Legion of
exit.
Drones.
Wow. Wow.
Launched.
Wow.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh, I see another.
Hey.
Oh, whoa. Here.
Hey guys.
Hi.
Hey guys.
Walking in. Okay.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hey Wally, you're last.
No.
Ah. Oh.
I'm
This
Cutscene?
Interesting.
What?
Ooh.
Or?
Myth brick.
No, I don't want to be first anymore.